Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So today's video is going to be again a review video, and I am going to review a fairly new launch in the market, and it is the Boro Plus Aloe Vera Gel. So yes, if you're interested in knowing more about this product and my thoughts on it, then please keep on watching. And before you go ahead and do that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you like my content and if you would like to support my channel. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Okay friends, so let's start with the review right away. Now I do have both of these aloe vera gels which I have purchased with my own money, and this is not any PR or any sponsored post. If there's anything like that, I always mention it in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Now the two aloe vera gel that I have in my hand, one is a green one and one is the yellow one. I'm going to review them one by one, and we are going to read what all claims it's making and my experience trying it. So the first aloe vera gel that I have is called this one. It's just Boro Plus 100% organic aloe vera gel. It says it has antiseptic herbs. It does have tulsi. I did go through the ingredient list. It has vitamin E. It is paraben and sulfate free. So a big thumbs up to that. Now it does mention it is meant for face, body and hair, and it is non-sticky. So yes, I have tried it on my face. I have not tried it on my hair. As and when I tried, I'll mention it on my social media, Instagram. If you're not following me there, definitely follow me there. I do post a lot of reels and photographs and something that I have purchased, or my short reviews out there. So definitely follow me there. Coming to the product, this has a light green color tint to it. Now this is the problem with most of the brands. I don't know why color क्यों डालते हो यार, मतलब white ही रहने दो ना. Like I do have the Patanjali one, like right here. I have been using it a lot. Now this one is priced at rupees 90 and you get 150 ml. थोड़ा सा कम price में है इसके मुकाबले. This one is priced at 115 and the introductory price which they are giving at right now is 95, which is really amazing, right? But I got it for 75 because I bought it from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, so yay to that. So now let's go through the claims and what it's mentioning behind. Before that, when I went through the ingredient list, it says Sugandhit Dravya, which means that they have added perfume to it. So if you smell it, it smells really nice, and it depends person to person, like how they will like this smell. At first I did not like it, to be honest, but it's slowly growing on me. Also the smell will kind of linger on your face, so I leave it up to you. If you like it, if you like that part, then fine, buy it. Otherwise don't buy it. There are other options as well. For me, I'm okay with it because of the price point, and aloe vera gel is something I use a lot. So I cannot buy like a 500 rupees ka aloe vera gel and it doesn't last for like even 2 months. I'm a budget friendly person, so yeah. So let's now read what's mentioned here behind. It says for your face, it helps to tighten pores and reduce pimples. Definitely कोई भी aloe vera gel tighten करता है और ये भी थोड़ा बहुत करता है. It kind of reduces your pores, and you can use it like a primer, just before you do your face makeup. Really helpful. It helps to reduce pimple. Well, pimple is again a very vast topic, and you cannot just rely on aloe vera gel. There are many reasons to it, but yes, this definitely could help. Although I did mention about the perfume part, I'm not happy with that. So the next thing, it says anti-aging properties, helps keep wrinkles at bay. Well, definitely overuse, अगर आप regularly use करते हो aloe vera gel, तो wrinkles कम करने में help ज़रूर करता है. And this one will also do. An excellent moisturizer, aloe vera gel helps heal dryness. So I believe that aloe vera gel is best for somebody who has oily to combination skin, because ये part dry होता है, ये oily होता है, and if you use a thick cream, it kind of clogs your pores. So I feel aloe vera gel is the best moisturizer. At least for me, it definitely is. The next thing, it says it's anti-inflammatory properties to soothe sunburns. Yes, definitely. If you're going on a holiday, especially to places like Goa or Caribbean island or something where there is a lot of sun, you would definitely get sunburn. And this is the best thing to apply when you come out from the sun. मतलब सन में जाने से पहले भी आप लगाओगे तो एक प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड की तरह काम करेगा. So definitely in that department also it will work. It helps rejuvenate dull, tired looking skin with youthful glow. Definitely when you wash your face, whether at night before sleeping, also you can apply it. I apply it after bath and it really works well for me. Now it says for your body, it softens and smoothens rough, dry skin, calming and healing properties to repair skin from deep within. Skin is nourished, hydrated, and radiant. Now the thing with me is that my skin is combination, and in summers it turns like really oily, but now that I'm in my 30s, my skin has kind of changed and it is more going more towards the drier side. ये पार्ट जो है, जो टी जोन बोलते हैं, ये डेफिनेटली ऑयली रहता है, यहाँ पे भी ऑयलीनेस रहती है. So for me aloe vera gel works the best. So for me, like, I don't like to use very emollient kind of cream because that clogs my pores. I have a lot of pores on my face, so this definitely works. But when it comes to my body, my hands are fine. Like if you can see, it's not that dry, but my लेग का जो स्किन है वो बहुत ही ड्राई, मतलब सहारा डेजर्ट से भी ड्राई है, यू कैन से. So for me, other than coconut oil, I feel nothing works. So I haven't found, a body lotion that really works for me. So keeping that in mind, I would say that this, for the body, I'm not sure how much, kind of moisturizing property it would have. So if you have like a normal skin, अगर आपकी skin इतनी dry नहीं है तो आप ये definitely try कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you could just use coconut oil and almond oil है, and you get lot of lovely creams right now, like Nivea का आता है, वो भी use कर सकते हैं. So yeah, I just wanted to share what I think. Lastly, it says for your hair, apply on scalp and leave overnight to reduce dandruff and promote hair growth. Apply on hair post shampoo as a conditioner and reduce frizz, making hair soft and shiny. Now, I'm not going to go like DIY kaisa karna hai. If you want me to do any DIYs related, using aloe vera gel, then let me know. But you can definitely use it as a gel. जो लड़के होते हैं जो सेट वेट जेल यूज़ करेंगे या तो फिर ब्रिल क्रीम यूज़ करेंगे. इफ़ यू वांट अ नेचुरल, लाइक हेयर को सेट करने वाला क्रीम, you can go for this aloe vera gel. It's really really good. So yeah, these were some of the claims and what is mentioned on the back of the tube. All in all, I would say this aloe vera gel is good, and the only thing I don't like is the perfume part. Other than that, it really works well as a moisturizer. I did not have any breakouts as such after using this. I definitely use it every single day, like before going to bed. But I lately, because it's winters, I use the yellow one, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. So yeah, this was my review of the aloe vera gel. I would definitely recommend it if you're okay with the scent. If you're not okay with the scent, do not go for it. Now I'm going to review the next yellow one, haldi chandan kesar aloe vera gel, so please stay tuned for that. Okay friends, so let me talk about the next aloe vera gel, and this is how it looks like. So it says Boro plus Haldi Chandan Kesar. Again, it says 100% organic. It is kind of a debatable topic whether it is or not. Although they claim, which is a good thing. अगर organic है तो भैया अच्छा है. But for this price, I'm kind of confused. So it says soothing, moisturizing, glowing, and I agree with all three of it. It is a really really good product, and I will tell you further why. It says it has antiseptic herbs with vitamin E. Again, it's paraben and sulfate free, non-sticky, and this is only for face and body. So if you have seen my the previous part where I mentioned about this one, it is for face, body, and hair, but this is only for face and body. Again, if I go back to the back of the tube, it does say Sugandhit Dravya, but I really like the smell of this one. So it really smells like, it has more of a kesar scent to it, more than haldi and chandan. I feel the kesar part is more overwhelming, but the smell is good and you will not get a headache, trust me. So this is really really nice. If I have to compare both of these currently, because it's winters, kind of winters in Bombay, because it's actually hot, and right now when I'm filming I'm also sweating. So in between I could switch on the fan and get a little bit cool down. So yeah, this one is really working for me now in December, because my skin has gotten like really really dry, and today I have used this under my makeup, and I really really like it. It's really thick and emollient, I would say, compared to the other one, and it really gels, sets well on the face, और आपका skin dry नहीं feel होता है, which is a really really plus point for me. My skin is combination in oily in summers and kind of dry in winters. So So I feel this product will really work best for me whenever it is, you know, like in a colder months, like, you know, तब ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे लिए ज़्यादा काम करेगा, like currently now in December, Jan and Feb. So the price of this one is 130 rupees. Again, you get 150 ml, and yeah, that's a lot. I mean to use, like आराम से 3-4 महीना तो ये बिल्कुल चल जाएगा. I was talking about the Sugandhit Dravya. I think the smell is nice and it's not bad at all. So definitely आप इसको consider कर सकते हैं, especially if you have dry skin. And now winters के लिए ये perfect है. Let's go through the list of what it mentions behind. Now it says for face, it helps reduce under eye dark circles. Oh my god, I need to try that for my dark circles. Currently, because I'm wearing makeup, इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है, but this year has been really tough for all of us and for various reasons. So maybe I'll make another video, because now it's the last month of 2020 and I have so many things to, you know, share or talk about. And I think I should make a video. So I'm not sure about that, but I'll definitely mention it. But dark circles has been something which has been bothering me like for years. I have always had iron deficiency, एंड इतना स्ट्रेस होता है, एंग्जाइटी होता है, प्लस ये साल कुछ डिफरेंट ही था, लॉकडाउन एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट गेट स्लीप एंड यू नो आई हैव सो मच ऑफ वर्क टू डू, वेदर इट्स हाउस वर्क और वेदर इट्स, यू नो, मेकिंग वीडियोज, ब्लॉगिंग on Instagram. So you know it really takes a toll on your, you know, sleep and everything, and that's why dark circle is there. So definitely ये मतलब आप उसको regularly use करते हो, अगर you know as an under eye cream also you can use it. If you do not, you know, if you cannot afford like expensive eye creams, this can definitely work for you. So yeah, that's what it mentions. I will keep you guys updated about whether it's working for me or not, and I have sort of a DIY for my under eyes. Let me know if you would like me to show it, you know, here or on Instagram. Let me know in the comment section. It says excellent moisturizer. It helps heal dryness. Definitely it helps with the dryness. Like I have tried it on my face and on my body. Like I said, my legs are really dry. So this kind of helps, but not really. Like it's not something like oil, you know. तो ज़्यादा देर तक stick करेगा, but definitely moisturize ये करता है. It helps tighten pores, reduce pimples. I have covered this in my the last gel I have mentioned. Well, it kind of helps to tighten the pores, and I have used it today under my makeup, so it can be used like a primer. Really good. Natural sunscreen help protect skin from UV damage. Yes, it can work as a sunscreen, but don't rely on this because इसमें SPF कितना है वो थोड़ी ना पता है. So yeah, anti-inflammatory properties, help soothe sunburns, anti-aging, same thing mentioned in the previous thing. It helps reduce dark spots and blemishes, helps rejuvenate dull, tired looking skin with youthful glow. So basically same claims like the Oleo aloe vera gel I mentioned. For the body, it says soften and smooths rough dry skin. Skin is renewed, hydrated and radiant, calming and healing properties. We kind of agree to that. The scent is kind of calming and healing, which helps repair skin from deep within, nourishing properties to make skin more supple and elastic. So yes, I really like this aloe vera gel. It has got a yellow tinge to it, and if I have to compare it to this one, it's a little bit more emollient than than this green one. And if you have really oily skin, then go for this. If you have combination to dry to normal skin, you can go for this one. अभी जो जबकि winters शुरू हो गए हैं and the skin is getting dry, so definitely go for this one. Now both these aloe vera gels kind of remind me of the Patanjali Saundarya gel. I have reviewed both those on my blog, and I was one of the first bloggers to review Patanjali products way back in 2014. I will leave those links in the description box in case if you want to read those reviews. So if I have to compare that to this one, I feel the quality of this one is a tad bit better. This one, if I have to choose between the quality between these two, this one definitely works for me right now. And this one I will probably use it more when it's February, March, when it's my skin starts to get oily. For now, the yellow one is really working for me. So overall, what do I think about these aloe vera gel? I think they are good. They are something new in the market, and you definitely should try them. Like I mentioned, the green one, the scent is kind of overwhelming. So if you have a chance to smell it from wherever you buy it, smell it and see if you like it, then buy it. Otherwise, it's totally up to you. But the yellow one I would highly recommend. The smell is nice, the feel is good, it's really moisturizing. So yeah, I definitely like both these products. There's nothing much to criticize about. It's a really good, addition to the aloe vera gels in the market. Like we had the same ones, like Patanjali green leaf and stuff. So this is really something exciting, and I really like that I tried something new. So this was my review. I definitely recommend these. If you have tried these aloe vera gel, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video and share it on your social media, or share it with someone who really likes reviews and beauty products. That will help my channel a lot in the long run. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.